This is the Ron Jon Surf Shop in Ship Bottom of Long Beach Island, New Jersey. This store is set to be demolished in, I want to say, autumn of this year. And this store isn't even that old. It's built in the mid-90s, and they're going to completely demolish the store and replace it with the one-story Ron Jon Surf Shop. So, with that being said, let's take one final ride on this nice Dover Oildraulic elevator from the 90s. Here we go. This is the elevator. The Ron Jon Surf Shop, LBI, New Jersey. Security Dover. Pulse. Cimarron too. It's Holeless. So, second floor. Dover Cimarron. Watch this. Cab view. Basic Dover impulse elevator from the 90s. Just wouldn't go out.